In this video, I am going to talk to you about emotional healing after plastic surgery. Now, this one may be the most important one to watch in terms of instructions because it honestly is something that you can't really prepare for until you go through it. And I'm speaking from personal experience. So having plastic surgery is a wonderful thing, and it really can help people in terms of feeling better about themselves, feeling confident, getting the way their body looks to match the way they feel on the inside. But it is a lot to adjust to, and you just have to be emotionally prepared. Now, number one, if you have depression and anxiety at baseline, it will get worse by going through this stressful process. So you want to make sure that you have your medications under control, that you have other emotions dealt with, other problems dealt with, because the stress of surgery is only going to amplify all the other stresses that you have in your life. So number one, you just want to be prepared for that. Now, you will go into the surgery, you will go home, you'll come back, you're not going to feel great physically because it is, surgery. And at first, you may just be surprised by how you react to that. Maybe it hurts more, hopefully it hurts less, but your first initial reaction is going to be to the physical part of the surgery. However, it will then progress. So after a little bit of not feeling great, people start to question themselves, like, should I have done this? Was it the right decision? Maybe you regret it. You are not going to look how you're going to look. You're going to look swollen and bruised and just not good in general. So you will move through this period of questioning, regret, and that is totally normal. Hopefully your recovery will be smooth, and we always try to make it as smooth as possible for you, but there can be unexpected bumps in the road. There can be little setbacks. Most of the time these are minor in the grand scheme of things, but it can feel major at the time it's happening. And we want to be there for you if any of this happens. Obviously, call us. We will get you through everything, but there can be these little ups and downs where you have setbacks and things aren't going maybe as fast or as well as you wanted them to. And we know that sucks, but you have to just be patient and kind of get through the healing process and get through there. Now, once you get through the initial kind of painful healing phases, a lot of times there can be sort of this like buyer's remorse, or maybe you wish it was different, where you think, oh, I wish it could have been a little more, or oh, this little part is uneven, or some little thing like that. And these feelings are normal. They're totally valid. But at the same time, again, you have to be patient. You are a human. I am a human. I always do my very best job, but each little part of the surgery can't always align with what your fantasy was. And so you can sometimes get stuck in this. Sometimes people sort of perseverate on things, and it's not good for you emotionally. So again, try to get through everything, have patience. It really does take, I would say, like a full 6 months before you get to your final results. So try to, again, move through this period of in-between waiting and just give yourself a break. And then hopefully you will get to the end result and be very happy. But, it is normal to go on this roller coaster of emotions with both physical problems and just all of the other feelings that come with going through a change like this. So I hope that watching this video ahead of time will prepare you for it and let you weather the storm. I know that when I personally had a surgery, I thought, oh, I will be so prepared. I am a plastic surgeon. I know exactly what's happening. And I still did experience some of those emotions anyway. I got through to the end of it, and I'm very happy with what I did. But I know, again, from personal experience, that it can be difficult to go through this process. So just get ready, give yourself space, grace, patience, and we will be there with you every step of the way.